Eat
There's
what?
a caterpillar over there.
Ah, caterpillar. Okay.
She's
Yeah.
standing over there.
So you eat vegetables, huh? What kind of vegetables you eat?
I eat carrots and
Carrots?
I eat apples.
Ah, yeah, that's good. Apple is good.
Yeah.
Then what else? You eat squash?
Yeah.
Squash
My
and
mom cooks squash.
squash.
And I love squash.
You love squash.
Yeah. They're my favorite snack.
Nice, nice. And do you eat also okra? Okra or eggplant?
Nag-eat ka sa, ano, caterpillar, oh. Nag-eat ka sa, ito ng green, oh, caterpillar.
Green, green.
Nag-eat naman saan? Nag-eat ka, oh, cabbage, oh, carrots.
So you don't.
There's a caterpillar.
Yeah, that's it's already dead.
Dead.
Yeah, it's dead because you stamp by your feet. Stamp by your feet or yeah. So do you? So what else?
Ants are eating it.
So do you eat also junk foods? No. Prohibited junk foods.
Because just my feet just almost
Chocolates. How about chocolates? You eat chocolates? No.
I just need to go down to school. She's teaching me
Mm-hmm.
how to exercise.
To exercise. Yeah, that's good. Tell also your mama and papa to exercise to join you.
Papa help me because I'm trying to run fast.
To run fast, yeah.
I'm gonna be pretending a Sonic.
Oh, okay. You have to burn the fats in your body
Yeah.
so that you will, grow sexy.
Yes, and I can be fast.
Yeah, you can be fast also. Correct.
I
So,
have pink Crocs.
Frank Crocs.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Nice slippers. Mhm.